This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron pants without an ironing board. First, find a sturdy, flat surface such as a kitchen counter or a wooden table. Next, lay a thick, clean towel or a wool blanket over this surface. This creates a padded, heat-resistant area, protecting your furniture and providing a good base for ironing. Make sure your iron is clean and ready to go. Now, lay one pant leg flat on your prepared surface, ensuring the inner and outer seams are perfectly aligned to create a crisp crease. Begin ironing from the top of the leg down to the hem, using long, even strokes. Apply steady pressure and avoid letting the iron sit in one spot for too long. Once one side is smooth, flip the leg over and repeat the process on the other side. For the pockets, turn them inside out and iron them flat before turning them back. Next, tackle the waistband, working your way around the entire circumference. Use the tip of your iron to smooth out any pleats or gathers. For cuffs, lay them flat and press carefully. Once finished, immediately hang your pants on a hanger to maintain their crisp, wrinkle-free appearance. After ironing, give your pants a quick once-over to ensure no wrinkles were missed. If you spot any, simply lay the area flat and give it another quick press. It's important to let the pants cool down completely before you put them on, as this helps set the fabric and prevents new creases from forming. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.